How to adjust brightness in Genshin Impact. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video we will be learning how you can easily adjust the brightness in the Genshin Impact game. So first of all, launch open your Genshin Impact application on your device, and once you're inside the game area, go ahead and tap on the Paimon icon at the top left corner. Once you're inside this expanded menu, go ahead and tap on the settings icon from the left. After you open up this settings tab, from this menu on the left, tap on graphics. Inside graphics, tap on the set now button right next to brightness, and then increase or decrease the brightness by dragging the slider at the bottom. If you want your graphics to be brightest, slide towards the right side. If you want it to be darker, drag it towards the left side. Just go ahead and see how it appears in nighttime or daytime, and once done, click on confirm. Click on confirm once again to save the settings and get back to the game. And there you have adjusted the brightness for the game immediately. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.